Ui. Hello, everyone. Oh, where's Mena? There is Mena.
We are getting mochi today.
We went to go like 30 miles away from home. We're gonna go get mochi.
It's like 100 something.
You wanna hold my hand?
It's really
Come on, let's go. So we got our food. We just went to go get food.
hot.
That's my food. After we eat, we go get mochi. I'm eating leche. It is so cold. So good too. You guys ready to go? So right now, we're gonna go play with water. Gotta take the kids to go play with water. Ready? You, mama. It's hot. Was it hot? Hot? It's too hot, huh? Are you eating Bart too? Why is this Bart right there? Now you're so funny. Hi, Mena. Uh-oh. Come pick it up. Thank you. What are you doing, Mena? You like to order some mochi? No? So when we got here at the water, they have to close it so they could clean it. We got a little late. Maybe next time.
So maybe
She liked it here. Where you want to go? Down here or over here? Go, now they hold you down there. See? Where are you going? Come here. I hold you. Come here. going down. You're so. Ow. Come on, let's go. You could just leave it there. What's wrong? You ready to go? It's so hot. Look, Mena is all sweaty. It's like 100-degree here. It's so hot. See how it is? Haha. Gonna go look at the beautiful water, the fountain. Wow, Mena. Mama, you like it? It's hot. Why you go sit right there?
Scared?
You like it? So pretty, huh? Yeah. See? Hi, Mena. Where are you at? Ooh, so many jewelry.
I got this with a unicorn horn.
Oh my goodness. We are at the mall because it's so hot outside, so we decided to come to the mall.
You guys never knew I
Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, what's that, kitty? You want to be a kitty? I'm so sweaty. Oh look, this is so cute. That one is cute. Why are you wearing shoes? What a lame Natalie. Oh, Mama, what are you doing? You want to put down her Natalie to see how she looks like? Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Oh, so cute. Look in the mirror.
Look at me. Unicorn magic.
She's all sticky and turn out. Did you get it out? Stuck to your hair, huh? What? What are those? Unicorn backpack? You and your unicorn lover? Oh look, that had the unicorn backpack. Oh, these are so cute. Everything here is so cute. Look, this is so funny. You don't need this when we're inside, okay? Yeah, that's so funny. Let's go look at those jelly. So we came to this, so it's a Japanese store. All these food in here. What is this? Noodle? Tokyo noodle? These are where? Oh, these are sauce. And soup. This is soup. Oh, we found some Yummy candy. Cappuccino shake candy. I think I'm gonna get this one. Can you hold it? Which one you want? You want to try the honeydew? You want strawberry? Let's try the strawberry. And there's some candy over here too. It's so yummy. What? No, it's like jelly. It's soft. Looking for those jelly candy.
And they're like crackling.
Look, they have some candy here too. Natalie, what are you doing? Dancing in the Sears? Everything is there is gone because they're closing.
The elevator's broken as well.
Can we go through the elevator? We're getting out and we'll go through the elevator. Could you slow down, please? Elevator time because you, why you don't want to walk? So upstairs have nothing left, so we're going downstairs. There's only a little bit left. This is all they have? Oh my goodness. I think all the shoes gone. You wanna go look at the shoes? It looks so weird in here. It looked like a this is all they have left. This is all the shoes they have? Wait, that's it. Just that table over there.
Big.
Why are you looking at me?
We're back home. I'm just gonna fall asleep.
We got a yummy drink. Your stroller is stuck. I don't like the stroller. We're going home. It's been a long day. You don't like to sit this? So Mena don't like to sit this because the bar is not together.
It has steps.
I got and she said she don't like it. So she go back and stay in her car seat. I mean her stroller. You sit in the shade. Hi. Are you have fun today? Mena have fun today? Mena have fun today? Mena have fun today? No? Yeah. You want some drink? We all share this drink because the kids are not going to finish it. So I bought it for myself and I just had them share with me.
My favorite part.
Jelly! Yum yum! You don't like jelly? She don't like jello or jelly. Jello. You don't like jelly? Jelly yum yum. No. Oh yeah, that one is yours. Color star, so we all know which one's ours. Yum yum? You like it?
Guess what my favorite part was?
What?
The mochi.
You just like mochi. You want more?
The latte mochi was the best. Oh, another
Look at how she drink it. She don't put her mouth over the straw.
She's just like,
That's how she drink it.
how can you drink like that?
How can you drink like that, Mama?
Because I don't like your jelly.
You don't like it? Oh, she tried to drink like that so she don't get the jelly. Oh my goodness, this girl. Ready to go home?
I'm gonna sleep on the way back home.
My turn.
Ah, my shoe! My shoe! My turn. And I hold the spoon.
So we came home and we take some order food to go. This is a house chow mein that we order.
Free cookie.
Yummy, Mama?
No, that's not chow mein. That's fried rice.
Oh, fried rice. And over here we have chicken with string beans.
Last but not least,
house chow mein. And I have some spicy seafood noodle. Look yum yum, guys.
hot.
Alright, guys. We'll see you guys next time. We're gonna go eat for dinners. It's been a long day for us.
And
Bye.
we're gonna open our fortune last.
Bye. Bye.